Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Book of Science. Today I am teaching about 8th class biology 9th chapter food production. In this class we will discuss about fungi. Fungi may be unicellular or multicellular. Unicellular means one, multi means many. So it is a one cell or many cells. They don't have chlorophyll and can't prepare their own food. Most of the fungi live on the dead and decaying organic matter. That's why along with bacteria they are also called as saprophytes. Sapro means rotten, natured cleaners of the environment. So saprophytes are the natural cleaners of the environments. Why? Because they are living on the dead or decay matters. So fungi are also called as saprophytes. Some common examples of fungi. In this class, we will discuss about mushroom, yeast and yeast economic importance. First of all, some common examples of fungi. We will discuss about bread mold. This is the bread mold. The blackish cottony growth on a stale bread is a type of a fungus. This is the bread. This is the blackish growth of the bread mold. This is the one type of the fungus on the bread. Next one, mushroom. This is also common fungus. White umbrella shape, like generally grows on decaying wood or a moist soil. So this is a mushroom. We are all know this one. Next, mushroom. Only certain mushrooms are eaten as food. This is very important. So it is called button mushrooms. We eat the button mushrooms. They have rich source of proteins, minerals eaten because they may be they have rich source of proteins and minerals, but some mushrooms of wild nature are not to be eaten because they may be poisonous. Always buy mushrooms from a shop, but don't eat on the other side of the wild nature of mushrooms. Particularly the black mushrooms are poisonous mushrooms. We eat only button mushrooms and must buy in the shop. This is the mushrooms. Yeast. We will discuss about the yeast. It is found freely in the atmosphere. They readily grow in all kinds of sugar solutions and in any plant exudation containing sugar. They grow readily on grapes, nectar in flowers, in sugarcane juice, etc. So this is the structure of the yeast. This is the structure of the yeast. This is cell wall. This one vacuole. This is glycogen granules. This is fat vacuole, cell wall, nucleus, remaining part is cytoplasm. So yeast cell shape is oval shape, ovoid. Distinct cell wall, nucleus. Cell wall, nucleus. One or more vacuoles in the cytoplasm. These are all liquid all called cytoplasm. One or more vacuoles are present in the cell. So this is the yeast structure. What is the economic importance of yeast? Here, first point, as a food, it contains vitamins of B, E, protein 15%. Second one, in breweries, it undergo fermentation in the presence of sugar solution to produce ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide. Alcohol is main component in beverages such as wine, whiskey, beer, etc. The quality of alcohol is depends upon not only the material fermented but also the type of yeast used. Carbon dioxide so obtained is collected, solidified and sold as dry ice. Third one, in bakeries, softness of the bread and such baked products, presence of numerous air spaces, air pores in them. We will watch on the bread some pores in it, so the air spaces in it. The air space is formed when carbon dioxide rises through the dough as a result of fermentation by yeast mixed in it. So why the bread has some holes? Because of the result of the fermentation by the yeast. Next, yeast also play an important role in the manufacture of vitamins and proteins. Next, making bread. How bread is making? Mix some flour, water with sugar and yeast. This makes dough. Leave it for an hour. In this 1 hour, yeast cells multiply and ferment sugar to form alcohol and carbon dioxide. Why the yeast cells are multiplied? It is yeast ferment with sugar. Then what happened? Yeast ferment with sugar. Then what happened? It releases alcohol and carbon dioxide. So the gas carbon dioxide produced makes the dough rise and doubling its size. So the dough size is doubled. Then we bake the dough into the hot oven. The heat kills the yeast and evaporates the alcohol. A crispy bread is ready. So this is the process of the making of the bread. So next class we will learn about the agriculture, primary food source. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe to my channel.